What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mori, and I am back with another install. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look. But before we even get into this video, I need you to hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, and like this video up. So today we are working with a wig from Aliexpress. This is a blonde 13 by 4 wig, 24 inches. I got this off of AliExpress. I do not remember the company's name, and it didn't come in the packaging either, but I will definitely put the link down below. So we're starting off by fitting the wig on our head. I already cut the ears off and everything like that. The lace adhesive we're going to be using today is the Boho Active Lace Glue. If you watch my other videos, you know this is the only glue that I use to secure these wigs down. It never disappoints. So I'm just starting off by putting dots across my forehead right in front of the cap, and then I'm going to take the end of my edge brush and I'm just going to smooth this glue out. And I'm just taking my time smoothing it out, making sure that I get some of it on the cap as well. After I smooth it all out, I'm just going to blow dry it until it dries clear. And I use typically about 2 coats every time, and the 2 coats really last a long time. So now that the glue has dried clear, I'm just going to lay the lace down in place now. And I just take my time and really lay it down, going from ear to ear, side to side. And just as I lay it down and get it in the place where I want it to be, I just take my fingers and kind of press the lace into the glue. I will say the hairline on this wig was just, I don't know if it's my head shape or what, but it just was a little weird and a little different from other wigs that I've ordered before, but it wasn't nothing we can handle. I just used a comb to also comb the lace through the glue and everything, and then I let my wig band sit on for about 20 minutes. Now I'm just cutting the lace in sections. I find it easier to cut them in sections when cutting the lace off than to do it all at one time. And I'm just going to take a hair razor and go section by section and cut the lace. You're going to see as I cut it, I'm going to be cutting off some extra hair with it. That's just simply because I was trying to get it to shape to my head as perfect and natural as possible, simply because for some reason the hairline on this wig was a little weird or something was off about it. But you know, we just take our time, adjust and adapt to whatever wig we have, and just shape it and construct it to your head.
Together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved.
After I cut all the lace off, I like to take this Ebin Melt Spray and I put some on my finger and lightly dab it on the lace, and then I'm just gonna let the wig band sit on for about another 15 minutes just to make sure that the lace is really melting down into the glue and we have a flawless hairline. I eat that lunch, she keep that booty, she keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah. So now it's time to style the wig. I'm starting out by parting my hair in a middle part. I had an idea style in my head that I wanted to do, and I started doing it in this video, but then I don't know, something happened where it didn't work out, but it still turned out cute. So this is just me hot combing it and everything. This hair was very thick. I did have to do a lot of plucking and everything like that. But I'm just doing the middle part right now. And then I also decided that I wanted to have some front bangs. So I went ahead and parted out some front bangs in the hair. I just want to take a moment to apologize for my facial expressions, because as I'm editing this video, I'm noticing that my face is looking very serious, but that's just my focus face. And also, I'm really trying hard to see because I don't have my glasses on. So y'all, please forgive my faces. I promise I'm not mad. But this is where I got confused about what style I wanted to do, but I did know I wanted crimps. So I started crimping my hair. And another thing that I will say about this hair, and this is just me giving my honest reviews on the hair. As I was crimping it, I don't know if it was my crimper or if it was the actual hair, but it wasn't really crimping like I wanted to. As you can see, like, I'm moving the crimper back and forth because I'm like, am I using it wrong? But I know I normally use it. So I don't know if the hair just doesn't take to curl well or what the case may be. But I wanted light crimps anyway, but I just was noticing throughout the hair that it wasn't crimping as much as I wanted it to. But I'm just taking the time now to just crimp my hair. I'm going to crimp my whole head, and then I'm going to go back to styling it.
In the right, he keep it running like it pump. He need her up beneath the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, she keep that plump. That natural beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
So after I crimped my hair, I decided that I wanted to do like a braided headband type of situation. So I'm just taking the time now to put braids on each side of my head so I can create the braided headband. I had so many different styles in my head and was like, I was low-key struggling. I was low-key struggling, and it's also, by this time in the video, it's probably like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm a little delirious and everything like that. But, you know, we still push through the style. I don't know why I always wait so late to actually do my hair, but it always just happens that way. But I'm just putting 2 braids on each side of my head, and then I'm going, as you can see here, I'm trying to fit it to see if it fits on the side of my head or not. It was just a lot going on, but we made it through. Okay, y'all, so it is the next morning and I'm back at it again with my hair. I had to go to sleep because I was just extremely tired and I wasn't getting the results that I wanted with my hair. So I'm like, let me just finish this in the morning. But as you can see, I did do the braided headband at the top. Now I'm just going to take some concealer. I just used my regular concealer and I'm just taking this and putting it on the part to define the part and bring the wig to life. But as you can see, it's giving that the hair is definitely giving scalp. It done marinated and melted in and it's looking good. Once I put the concealer on there, it was definitely giving this came from my scalp. I did decide to add crimps in my hair again. I just woke up feeling hopeful and I'm like, let me just try again and pass the crimp over my hair again to see if the crimps will come out like I wanted it to. I just wanted to be sure to make sure that, you know, the hair just wasn't taken to the crimper or I just wasn't doing it right and it just wasn't my crimper. But I will say that the hair really didn't take to the crimper as I thought. So if you're thinking about getting his hair, it would definitely be like to wear it straight or just wear it in the body wave pattern. It's a good thing that I was going for more of like a beach wave and a light crimp anyway, so it did work out for that. But as you can see, as I'm crimping it, it really wasn't giving or really taking or crimping the hair like I wanted it to. But we still got through it and made it work. And this is just me giving you guys my honest opinion and my honest review on the wig. This wig company did not send me this wig. I decided to try some blonde and try something new, so I ordered the wig with my own money. And this is what I do it and make these videos for, just to give y'all reviews and give you insight on different wigs. So, you know, I try them out, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, and then I'll let you guys know. But I would still recommend buying this wig if you want to wear it straight, because I did straighten my hair after this style, and it was beautiful. It was pretty, it was soft, it was sleek, and this wig did last me 2 weeks with like minimal shedding and not too much tangling.
Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit, right amount of love.
Okay guys, and this is how the hair came out. It came out so pretty. It looks so girly. It's the exact wave pattern that I wanted and everything. Although I did have some trials with doing this hairstyle, it still came out cute and it still worked out. It's still giving very much scalp. The blonde is really eaten. The skin is looking clear. And I decided to still edit this video and still put this video out just to show the girlies, like, you may have trials and may have to try different things and everything like that, or when you're trying new things, it may not always work out at the first time or exactly how you want, but still stay the course, because you can still achieve the look that you want, maybe with some minor adjustments. But this came out so cute. I'm just adding a hot comb here just to lay everything down and put everything in place. But it's definitely giving scalp, it's definitely giving pretty, it's giving like summer girly, beach vibes. About to put on my little dress or put a bow in my hair. I don't know, but I was definitely feeling myself. It came out really, really cute. I love the curls and everything. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. If you like how it came out, give me a thumbs up. Drop down in the comments if you have any questions, any suggestions, and let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Peace.